Passing in front of you now, the A-10 Thunderbolt 2. Major Dylan at the controls, and then there's Kevin Eldridge in the P-38 Lightning taxiing out with him. You'll get the A-10 demo first, and then the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. Here comes our arrival from the left. We'll get him on the ground, then we'll be ready to go.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General William M. Frazier III, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you once again to the 2011 Guardians of Freedom Air Show. I'm Air Force Master Sergeant Matt Harris from Rochester, New York, here with our safety observer and combat-ready fighter pilot, Captain Tim Krebs from Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. As a member of Air Combat Command's 23rd Wing, located at Moody Air Force Base in Belgium.
You're right, Major Thorpe and the A-10 Thunderbolt 2. There you go.
Watch now as Major Thorpe pulls the aircraft straight into the vertical, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Major Thorpe is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the A-10's rapid roll capability by rolling the 35,000-pound aircraft at almost 200 degrees per second. And now, from your left, Major Thorpe displaying the A-10's rolling maneuverability. Major Thorpe is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the Warthog's precise handling characteristics. As Major Thorpe rolls the A-10, you will notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the A-10's direction of turn, while concealing a titanium armor barrier that protects the pilot and cockpit from enemy ground fire.
Now from your right, Major Thorpe and the slow roll.
Major Thorpe is now performing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning low over the battlefield, the Warthog can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets in close proximity to friendly ground forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including JDAMs, Maverick missiles, unguided and laser-guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and AIM-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. The A-10's two TF-34 turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the aircraft much harder to hear and aids immensely in achieving tactical surprise when attacking from all altitudes. The A-10's engines are also extremely fuel efficient, enabling it to fly more than 2,000 miles without refueling. Add in-flight refueling and the Warthog can fly non-stop to Europe and the Middle East. Major Thorpe is now repositioning his aircraft to perform a level 360-degree IG turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enables it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. Major Thorpe just completed that turn in only 1,400 feet. This is less than the size of an average NASCAR racetrack and well over twice the speed of your favorite driver. On the battlefield, this capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Major Thorpe is now configuring his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow-speed controllability at its final approach airspeed of 140 miles per hour. This slow-speed pass will give you a good chance to see the A-10's high bypass engines and unique tail design. These distinct features help mask the heat signature, which helps the pilot to defeat infrared missiles. And now, from your right, Major Thorpe and the slow-speed pass. Let's go to the cockpit of the aircraft and see if Major Thorpe has any words for us here today.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor and a privilege to be flying for you here today on the September 11th attack. I would like to dedicate this performance to my brothers in arms in the 4th Fighter Squadron who are flying the hog flights right now, downrange, keeping us safe. You can enjoy this performance today.
During World War II, the original Major Thorpe is now repositioning for his final attack, where he will simulate dropping 500-pound Mark 82 general purpose bombs. These general purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons. Major Thorpe is now performing a kick-out maneuver. This continuously changing 3D maneuver makes life very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners. The A-10 was built to withstand significant battle damage, having the capability to fly on a single engine and a total loss of hydraulic power. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where A-10s destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and was credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C, armed with state-of-the-art targeting pods, satellite communication, and data link, continues to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's fight. Once again, we salute all of our wounded veterans, those who have lost their lives, and their families who have sacrificed so much. Flying in formation today piloted by Mr. Kevin Eldridge, and the United States Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt II, piloted by Major Dylan Thorpe.